Hello there, fellow nomads. Welcome back to episode 4 of Beyond Production. It's a channel where we learn the power and the mystery of video editing all the way from basic to the advanced level. In last couple of videos, we learned how to create the project, how to import the files, and how to create the sequence. In today's video, we are going to learn 3 things related with the sound or the music in Adobe Premiere Pro. Number 1, how to get rid of any sound you don't want into your project. Number 2, how to import a music or any kind of sound effect into your Premiere Pro. And number 3, how to adjust the volume of the sound in your project. So let's go ahead and jump into Adobe Premiere Pro. Now we are in Adobe Premiere Pro and you see all these videos, they don't have any sound. But if I bring this video here, it comes with an extra sound here, and if I play this video, let's see, it has that crappy background noise, and if I don't want that noise, I can just get rid of that. I cannot just hit delete, otherwise it will delete both of them. So I have to first unlink them, separate them from each other. Okay, they're kind of twins. So I'm gonna select that file, right click, and I scroll all the way until I see this option says unlink. I'm gonna click on that. Now they both are individual files. So I can now select one of them, which is sound in this case, and just hit delete. Now I have that sound, is gone. So in that way, you can delete all the extra unnecessary sound or the background noise you have in your videos. You can just unlink and hit delete. The other way to do that is you're gonna double click on the file and it will open in the preview mode. And if you play, yes, it does have a sound, but then you have these 2 options. One is says drag audio only and the other says drag video only. So I'm gonna just drag video and there you have it. It doesn't bring any sound. So there are 2 ways you can do that. Now let's learn how to add a background music into your video. To do that, again, you need a music into your project, right? I already have one here, and in last video I taught you guys how to import it. So if you haven't seen it, just go ahead and watch that video. Now you have this music. If you need the same sample music, there is a link in the description. Just go ahead and download the sample music. Now make sure you select the music and just drag and drop into your audio track. Okay, in Premiere Pro, you have video track on top, audio track at the back. And if I go in the beginning, I hit play. Alright, let's pause it. So this is how you can add it, and if you want to cut the music again at the end here, by the end of the video, all you have to do is just take the razor tool, hit the cut, and put the razor tool back, take move tool and delete it, and hit command save. So now you have the project saved. But there is one problem, the music is too loud. And if I want to adjust the volume of the music, I click on the file and I right click, and there is an option says audio gain. Click on that, it will give you the audio gain by decibel. So 0 is basically the base level. From 0, if you go lower, the volume level is gonna go low. If you're gonna go higher, it's gonna go higher. You just have to type the number. Let's say I'm gonna type -10 and click OK. Now you see here, the magic happened. This bar, they went down. I'm gonna click Option key and scroll up to see bigger picture. Basically, I'm expanding it to show me the left and the right channel. Okay, you can see at the bottom here, it says left channel and the right channel. And if I play now, you see how the audio level has gone down. On the right side, you can literally see here all the audio level. When you're editing a video, try to keep your audio level below -12 or around -12. So I'll play it again and you tell me if it is below or around. So it's basically below and around -12. It's best for human eye. Can you hear from my human ear to listen to the sound? If I hit Control or Command Z, I'll go back to the old one. And if I play this one, you see how loud this was. So if you play, I don't know if you paid attention to this right bar, if it is hitting the red zone, that means it's too loud for human to hear. Alright guys, this is how you add the music and adjust the volume into your Adobe Premiere Pro project. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel and click on that notification icon so that you don't miss any new tips, tricks, or update about video editing in Adobe Premiere Pro or any other software. With that, I'll take a leave. You, my fellow nomads, keep creating and stay inspired. Ciao.